Okay. So this one, changes I made. Oh yeah. So I changed the way of specifying the AMI image. I use a thing called a data source. Okay. And this basically, if we want to just take a generic, maybe like the latest LTS Ubuntu image, then we can ask the AWS API, because it has a stock of AMIs for Ubuntu. Okay. And so basically we can ask it, give me the latest AMI according to some parameters. Now I coded that in my providers file. So here I add a call to the AWS AMI data source. Okay, I'm calling Ubuntu. I'm saying, tell me about AMIs from Canonical, and they should match this path, which apparently will pull out appropriate 2004 images. And I have a flag most recent equals true, so it will always pull the latest image. And in the main.tf, see, so here I pull from that data source, tells us what image to use. One other change I made was, problem with that is, of course, if tomorrow there's a new AMI image and I apply this configuration, it's now going to recreate my virtual machine, which maybe isn't what I want. Okay, maybe not, but we have the option to override that. So you see here, there's this lifecycle specification, and I'm telling it to ignore any changes on the field AMI. Okay, so when I initially create this web server, it will use that data source. From then on, it won't recreate the virtual machine just because there's a newer AMI available. Okay. Another thing is I'm now pulling in my user data script from a file. Okay, and that file, it's just a detail, but I've got it installing a Prometheus and Grafana, so we could actually do some monitoring and also pulling in contents of a rather basic website, but at least prettier than my previous web server is up. Okay, and in comment, I put some ingress rules for Grafana and Prometheus, though my recommendation would be not to open those up, especially unsecured, rather to use an SSH tunnel or VPN or something. Okay.